This apartment, it has it all. Right, Francisco?
Absolutely.
It has been so well taken care of. It's got 2 bedrooms, it's got 2 bathrooms, it's got an eat-in kitchen, it's got a wood-burning fireplace, it's got high ceilings, beamed ceilings. I mean, what more could you want? It's classic pre-war.
Location, you
Yeah.
can't beat this location.
Shops, restaurants, gourmet grocery stores, and guess what? Central Park, right up the street. Francisco. I mean, can you even? I mean, grand entryway that opens up into an even grander living room. It's practically a ballroom, right?
Amazing.
I know. You know what? You know what this is for?
Oh, making wood toys?
Making wood toys?
Yeah.
No, it's for burning because this works. It's an actual wood burning fireplace. This might be my most favorite thing. The graciously sized primary bedroom has a double closet and an ensuite windowed bath. The second bedroom, which is currently being used as a den office, also faces north and has a windowed bathroom with a shower stall right across the hall. A kitchen with the possibility to be even more expansive and grand. And with all of that, there's also the possibility of adding a washer dryer right in your home with board approval. 156 East 79th Street is a full-service co-op designed by the esteemed architectural firm of Schwartz and Gross in 1915. This boutique co-op is situated ideally just east of Lexington, with Central Park and museums close by. So if you're looking for a little bit of everything on the Upper East Side, including this beautiful apartment in a full-service boutique co-op, this is the place for you, right?
Absolutely.
So you can call me, Kelly Deadmon.
Or me, Francisco Menendez.
We're at BHS, and we would love to show this to you in person.